And here's I will show you how to take a SIM card out of an iPhone. If your iPhone have a physical SIM card option, then in your iPhone left hand side you find this SIM card option. Now all you have to need use your iPhone SIM ejector. So here's my SIM ejector. All you have to need insert this ejector into this SIM hole and push gently just like so. And then here we can see SIM card successfully removed. Now just use your fingers to remove the SIM tray, and that's it. You have successfully removed your SIM card from your iPhone. Now to reinsert the SIM card again to the same thing, just insert the SIM tray and push gently, and your SIM card will be reinserted. Thanks for watching.